In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on PayPal. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send a clear, professional payment request to anyone with an email address or PayPal account. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your account, and once you're signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is your account summary page, where you can see your balance, recent activity, and different shortcuts. Take a second to make sure you're on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. From this dashboard, look for the option labeled Send and Request. It's usually located at the top of the page in the main navigation bar. Click on Send and Request. This is where PayPal groups everything related to sending or requesting payments, so you'll come back to this area often. On the next screen, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address or the name of the person you'd like to request money from. Go ahead and start typing. If you've sent money to this person before, PayPal may autocomplete the details for you. For privacy and accuracy, always double check that the email or name matches the person you're dealing with. When the correct contact appears in the list, click on their name or email to select them. This step confirms who you're sending the request to, and it helps avoid accidentally requesting money from the wrong person. Next, you'll see a field to type in the amount you'd like to request. Enter the exact amount here and make sure your currency is correct. If you work with people in other countries, pay particular attention to this so there are no surprises with conversion. Below the amount, you'll see a field labeled Add a Note. Click into that field. This note is important because it explains to the other person what the request is for. Type in a clear, simple note. For example, you could write something like payment for freelance design work, June invoice, or reimbursement for shared travel costs. The more specific you are, the less confusion there will be later, and it also helps you keep better records. Once everything looks good, the recipient, the amount, and your note, go ahead and click on the Request button. PayPal will send your request to that person, and they'll receive a notification with all the details you entered. That's all you need to do to